Alright boys, welcome to MSLM Trading, and it's the daily analysis video. Today we are going to be, as usual, we are going to be analyzing the market of Euro USD and GBP USD. So right now, as you can see here, we have 109 pip unfilled imbalance area over here on Euro USD. Alright, and Euro USD right now is currently in this sideways range. So the thing to look at is this sideways range is around 80 pips. And if you look at it at H1 you can clearly see that we are now starting to go in a downtrend, and this could be the potential retracement phase of the market. And after this lower high, the market is right now going sideways, and to go and make a lower low, first the market needs to go a bit upside and sweep out all the previous highs and the high of this sideways range. So as soon as we get the high of this high swept of this previous range, we can expect some lower highs, lower lows forming in the market, and ultimately the market can ultimately go and make a 1 hour swing lower low. So right now, what the things are saying, what the things are looking on the chart, the things seem to be going sideways, and the main thing for today is the Asia has moved around 25 pip, I think. So that's our Asia low, that's our Asia high marked out, and as you can see here, we have the Asia range of around 22 pips. 22 pips of Asia means London has the potential to move downside. And now if the market sweeps Asia, the market sweeps the previous high of the range, the high of the sideways range, the market can go towards the downside. So that's the point where I can look to go short. Alright, now for GBP USD, what I can say is GBP USD is right now in this H1 imbalance. Like, the H1 imbalance has been filled around 50%, but the thing is GBP USD is also going sideways, but the thing is we have this trend line formed over here, and the imbalance, the unfilled imbalance, is also there, the NFP imbalance. Alright, so that's our trend line, that's our M15 unfilled imbalance, not M15, yeah, it's M15. Alright, M15 imbalance, trend line, and the market right now is going to the upside. Why is it going to the upside? So that's the question. Why is it going to the upside? It can it is probably going to the upside because it wants to take out this high and fill out this imbalance, and then it may start reversing from here. If you look at it at H1, the same trend is being formed on the H1 time frame. So that's our H1 trend. So we are right now currently at a lower high, and after a lower high, lower low is made. So that's the thing. Right now we are in a retracement leg, and the Asia of today in GBP USD is around 27 pip. So 27 pip Asia range, the market has a lot of potential to move in London, but only if we get a sweep of the buy side liquidity. Alright, so that's going to be the main key thing to look at. For reversal points, I think the reversal point, by the way, the bias for both pairs is going to be bearish. Why? Because the H1 trend is bearish. We are in a downtrend on H1. We also have this unfilled imbalance on GU, unfilled imbalance on EU. So unfilled imbalances are there. The downtrend is there. The main thing to look at is the sweep of this sideways range. All right. So if we get a sweep of this range, we are going to go short. So about reversal points, if you talk about reversal points could be somewhere on GBP USD. This H1 imbalance could be a reversal point, or maybe I think maybe after sweeping this high it could reverse. Alright, so for GBP USD the reversal points aren't confirmed yet, but for EU I can say that EU may reverse from sweeping this high. There are no particular imbalances, I think, there. Let me just check. So yeah, there are some imbalances. There are some small, like for example, we have this unfilled imbalance over here on H1 EU. We have another H1 imbalance over here above it on EU. So imbalances are there. Now the sideways range may get swept, the imbalances may get filled, and the market will reverse. So that could be the potential reversal points. But for today we are going to go short. No longs for today, because imbalance is there and the H1 bearish trend is there. Alright, so that's the video, that's the bias, that's the potential reversal points in the market on EU and on GU. So if you liked the video, if you like the content, if you found value, if you learned something new, go ahead and subscribe the channel and like the video. Alright, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.